Hi guys, welcome to Solitech channel. Today we will learn how to create login and register page in C#ASP.NET using SQL Server Database. In this module, we will learn how to create database for save and retrieve users for login, and if the login succeed, it will redirect to home page. If not, it will ask you to register to login. First thing, we will create database. Then create store procedure to register and login. The below table have 4 columns: ID, name, email, and password. In the ID column, we will enable identity property to generate new value based on the current seed and increment. Let's start now to create the database. First thing, open Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Right-click on Databases and click New Database. Type the name of the database, login, then press OK. You will see the login database created. Expand login database and go to Tables. Right-click on Tables and select New Table. Create the first column as ID with data type int, and in column properties, enable identity specification to yes. Then create name column and data type. Do the same for columns email and password with the same data type. Then make the ID column as primary key. Then save the table as user login. Now database and table was created. Open new query. Create procedure SB register. Specify values for parameters. Here we have 3 parameters: name, email, and password. These parameters are variables, so we put @ in front of each parameter with data type we created in the table. Then declare the ID and type this command to selected E if the name and email matching the parameters. If the ID exists, it will do nothing. If the ID is empty, it will insert the parameters to the table. Then execute the command. Then go to Programmability. You will see your stored procedure created. Execute it and type the name, email, and password in value field, then press OK. In the query result, it show return value 0. That's mean it's executed success. Now select from user login table and see the return values. You will see the new user in the table with ID 1. Go back to stored procedure and do the same steps to add user 2 and user 3. Now we will do the same steps to create stored procedure SP login. But the difference is using select statement. This is the end of Part 1, Create Database and Stored Procedures. In the next video, we will create the web form and use login and register pages. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.